On paper, Virginia's registered agent rules sound simple. Pick someone with a Virginia address who's around during business hours. In reality, it's not as simple. Using yourself means your name and home address go on public record, and you're basically on call all day for legal mail or surprise deliveries. That wasn't a great fit for me. Privacy matters, and I don't want official notices just showing up at my front door. So that's why I went with a professional service to handle it all, and the one I used was ZenBusiness. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my Virginia LLC with ZenBusiness and what the experience was like. We'll cover what a registered agent actually does in Virginia, how ZenBusiness walks you through the steps, and what you can expect to pay, and how it compares to other popular options. By the end, you're going to have a good idea of whether ZenBusiness is the right fit to help you register your Virginia LLC. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics, why you need a registered agent in Virginia, and where ZenBusiness fits into that. So Virginia requires every LLC to name a registered agent with a real in-state street address who's available during normal business hours to accept official documents. No PO boxes, and whatever address you list goes on the public record. You can name yourself, but that means being available all day, every weekday. Miss a service of process or an important notice, and you can create a headache that you don't want. There's also the privacy piece. Using your home address means it's out there for anyone to find, which isn't great. That's why a lot of owners use a professional service. This is where ZenBusiness comes in. They're an online platform that makes forming and running an LLC a lot less painful. They handle state filings, provide a registered agent address so your personal info stays off public record, and they include helpful add-ons like compliance reminders, EIN filing, and operating agreement templates. Now, it's covered the essentials without piling on complexities, so I gave them a try to see how it actually works in Virginia. All right, here's how the filing actually plays out. First, create a ZenBusiness account and pick Virginia as your state. Enter your LLC name, and they'll run a quick check to make sure it's unique and includes LLC or limited liability company. That saves you from submitting a name that gets kicked back. Next, you're going to pick your registered agent. If you use ZenBusiness for this, their Virginia address goes on your articles of organization, which takes care of the privacy issue right out of the gate. After that, plug in the basics about your LLC, members or managers, and confirm the organizer's info. ZenBusiness drafts and files your articles with the Virginia State of Corporation Commission and pays a state filing fee, $100 on your behalf. Then you wait for the approval. When it clears, the stamped documents land in your dashboard so everything is all in one place. Now from there, you're going to want to grab these things. Get an EIN. Put together an operating agreement, and open a business bank account. ZenBusiness can help with the EIN and agreement if you want some hand holding, or you can do it yourself, your call. Once those pieces are set, your LLC is fully active. Your registered agent details show up in the dashboard, and any official mail goes to ZenBusiness first and gets forwarded to you, so nothing falls through the cracks. Bottom line, I say that ZenBusiness turns what could be a confusing process into a very straightforward, guided setup that's easy to follow from start to finish. All right, let's talk pricing. So ZenBusiness has 3 plans. The starter option is free. You just pay your state's filing fee. If you only need the basics to get your LLC on the books, that keeps upfront costs very low. The pro plan is about $200 a year plus state fees and adds the helpful stuff: rush filing and an operating agreement template, EIN filing, and their worry-free compliance so you don't miss deadlines. Now the premium plan runs for about $300 a year, again plus state fees, and adds in the online pieces, website, domain, business email, along with extra templates, which is nice if you want everything all in one place. Now, one quick heads up, the registered agent is priced separately. It's around $100 for the first year and about $200 each year after. Still, it's pretty reasonable, and it saves you from putting your home address on public records or waiting around for legal mail. Oh, and I also want to let you know that if you want to try out ZenBusiness for yourself, then you can check out our affiliate link down in the description below. It's the best way to see their current pricing and their official offers, so you know you are getting the best deal they have going right now. All right, now let's talk about my personal experience with ZenBusiness during the formation of my LLC in Virginia, the things that I really liked and a few small areas that honestly could be smoother. So I went in thinking I'd ignore the free tools, but a couple actually pulled their weight. The name generator sped up my availability checks, and the invoice template bailed me out when I needed something clean and in a hurry. The slogan maker, QR code builder, and the break-even calculator, they're not fancy, but they're handy and will save you a few Google searches. Now the dashboard was the real win. Once my LLC got the green light, everything lived there. Formation docs, registered agent info, status updates, no digging through email threads or random folders. I will admit it felt a little crowded when I turned on a bunch of add-ons, but after a day it clicked and I was moving pretty fast. Now, compliance reminders were clutch. Their worry-free compliance kept Virginia's annual $50 registration and other deadlines on my radar. And there's backup help if something slips. I stopped worrying about dates, which is actually kind of nice. I also tried their domain and business email. The best part, 0 extra logins. I added both from the same account and kept moving. Are they as powerful as a dedicated provider? Of course not. But if you want something simple that just works while you get rolling, it's perfectly fine. The registered agent service did exactly what I wanted. ZenBusiness put their Virginia address on my filings, caught official mail, and dropped scans into my dashboard with quick notifications. One document showed up the next day, but that still beat waiting on paper mail at my house. Now, would I recommend them for a Virginia LLC? Yeah, if you want more than a bare minimum mailing address and you like having docs, reminders, and simple tools all in one place, it just makes life easier. It's beginner friendly, it doesn't complicate things, and it kept me on track without the stress. All right, now let's compare ZenBusiness with a couple of other big names that you probably come across when forming an LLC in Virginia, starting with LegalZoom. This is the one most people recognize because they've been around the longest. What sets them apart is the broader legal coverage. You're not just getting help with your LLC paperwork, you can also access attorney consultations, have your legal documents reviewed, and even get assistance with trademarks or copyrights. That kind of support makes them appealing if you think you'll need more than just basic formation. Now, at the same time, the downside is that LegalZoom can feel a bit overwhelming because of all the legal add-ons and the extra steps involved. Next, we're going to take a look at Tailor Brands. They take a very different approach by leaning into branding rather than the legal services. So alongside the LLC formation, you get tools like logo creation, a simple website builder, and business email for anyone starting completely from scratch. It's a nice way to have your business identity ready the moment that your LLC goes live. Now, that said, their compliance tracking and registered agent features don't feel as strong as what ZenBusiness offers, which can matter more down the road. Overall, if you do want legal expertise, LegalZoom is a solid option. Tailor Brands is great for branding, but if you want that smoother process that just handles all of the state requirements and compliance side more seamlessly, then ZenBusiness still comes out on top. So to wrap things up, forming an LLC in Virginia isn't as complicated as it seems once you understand the role of a registered agent. For me, ZenBusiness made the process far less stressful by not only handling the legal side of things, but also giving me tools that kept my business organized after setup. So if you're looking for a straightforward way to register your Virginia LLC without putting your home address out there for everyone to see or worrying about missed documents, ZenBusiness is definitely worth checking out. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more just like this. As a reminder, if you want to check out any of the ZenBusiness plans that I mentioned today, then you can check out the affiliate links down in the description below. Sometimes we might have special deals in the links that you're not going to find if you go directly to their website. So go check them out and see if they're still available. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so please leave your questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.